and welcome. This is a lesson on why the Spanish Armada failed. So it's continuing our look at Elizabeth. So during the Tudor times, Spain was one of the richest, most powerful countries in the world. In fact, it was probably the richest and most powerful country in the world. They had a huge army and a huge navy, and Spanish ships were bringing fortunes back from America to Spain, from the Americas to Spain in these sort of newly discovered lands. However, in 1558, Philip II, the King of Spain, decided to focus all his country's great power and great wealth on an invasion of England. They had fallen out for various reasons, and he set up a huge fleet of ships, or an armada as it's known as, which is possibly the greatest navy ever assembled. Yeah, there were around 130 warships that were heading for England. So what I want you to do is I'm going to put some text on the screen. I want you to read through this and write down as many reasons why Philip II was angry with England. Yeah. Remember, as ever, you can pause the video and rewind if you need to. So I'm just going to pop the information on the screen. So what I want you to do now is, for your next task, I want you to have a look at why the Armada failed. So the Spanish didn't win. Spoiler alert. Yeah. So you've been given a worksheet there on the Google Classroom. I want you to make notes and sort of find as many reasons why the Armada failed, and then think about the most important and least important reasons why the Spanish Armada failed, and make a list of these. Right. So what were the most important reasons and what are the least important reasons? Again, you can pause that and go back if you need to. And your final task, using that information you've got on your worksheet there, is just to write a P paragraph explaining what the most important reason was for the failure of the Spanish Armada in your opinion. Yeah, so come up with a point. You've got some sentence starters here, give evidence, and then explain why that was the most important reason. If you could upload that to Google Classroom. If you do have any questions, do go to your own class teacher about that. Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's little lesson about why the Armada failed. Please do look after yourselves and stay safe, and we will catch up soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.